Hey, what up, party people? I had some leftover vegetables, meat, so I decided to make a quick 10-minute fried rice. So check out the video. We don't need a lot of ingredients. All I had was like a leftover pork loin. Decided to cook up some rice, leftover vegetables, soy sauce, a bit of sesame oil, and onions, and an egg. I always like to add an egg in fried rice. So let's get cooking. Gonna start by adding just a little bit of oil. Fry the onions. Next, we're just gonna add about a cup of cubed up pork. We're just gonna make a bit of space here. We're gonna fry up the egg real quick. That's just one large egg, by the way. Next up, about a cup of cold rice. You don't need a lot of rice. You can put a lot of rice or a less, doesn't matter. Just something to add to the mix, so you're not just having meat and vegetables. Next, we'll add about a tablespoon of soy sauce. Now, when you're doing fried rice, you could either add the soy sauce just to the rice and then add back your meat and vegetables, but I just sort of mix it all together. But to make it look professional, yeah, you would cook your meat and vegetables first, put that on a plate, and then you would mix your rice, and then just incorporate everything when the rice is hot. Add our vegetables to this. Bit of sesame oil to finish it off. And there you have it. I mean, I call it 10 minutes fried rice, but it's actually like 5 minutes fried rice. Oh, look at that. Doesn't this look good? Look. Oh, yeah. Okay, we're gonna give this a quick taste test. Okay, let's give this a quick taste test. Look at that. Oh, I love rice. Like, and it's such a great way to get rid of leftovers in the fridge. Yeah, really good. Hope you enjoy it. Peace out.